Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, we are going to be talking about easy digital products that you guys can sell. I sell digital products and it's very easy. It's something that you just basically do one time and you just keep selling it over and over and over. So what is a digital product in the first place? It's a product that's digital and not physical. So it's not like you're selling a handbag and you're shipping it out. It's something that people can go on your website or wherever you sell them at and just purchase it, and an e-file will be sent to their email. So firstly, why is selling a digital product going to be better than selling a physical product? So e-learning is the future of education, and the industry is going to be expected to be worth around $840 billion by the end of 2030. You also will have low overhead costs, like you don't have to worry about those initial startup costs of purchasing inventory and purchasing all the things you're going to need. Everything is digital. You literally just have to invest in those products. So whatever you're investing into, that is going to be a very, very low cost, whether it's paying for a website to sell them on, that's a cost that you're going to have to pay for it. But when it comes to actual a cost towards that product, usually it's something that you do, and it's not something you have to pay for. Also, the product can be automated and you don't have to do anything. It's just delivered instantly to the person buying it. Like, I'll give an example. I'll just give an example, something I don't actually do, but you can do. I'm selling an ebook on my website for $15. The customer goes to my website to purchase the ebook, and as soon as they check out, I don't have to do anything to fulfill that order. That order will automatically be fulfilled. It will just automatically go to their email. They just put where they want the ebook to be delivered to, and it will be delivered to their email. It's nothing I have to do. It's an automatic process. And then you have very, very high profit margins. Profit margins are like, if I'm selling a physical product, my profit margins are going to be a lot smaller because I had to pay for this product, versus digital products, majority of it is profit that you're going to be making from them. And this digital product is passive income. After you make the product, you do the work, you're not going to have to put in any more work to it. So here are 12 digital products that you guys can sell. Number 1 is an online educational course, which is a really good way to share your expertise and whatever you're good at. Number 2 is ebooks, something that I mentioned earlier. It's a book that you write, it's digital, that can be educational or entertaining for people to buy. It's not like you're writing like a physical copy, it's digital. Number 3, you guys can sell website themes. Like if you have Shopify, if you heard of Shopify, Wix, all of those websites, there are different themes that you can have for your website. If you're going for a minimal style, there'll be a minimal theme for you. If you're going for like a dark style for your website, like horror or something, there's going to be a theme that kind of fits that. And people make these themes, they build it one time, and guess what? They literally just keep making money off of it. Number 4 is selling stock videos or stock photography, which you guys will see a lot of people on YouTube use like stock videos and stock videos. I don't really think they use the stock photos in their videos, but I use stock videos sometimes. I don't actually pay for stock videos, but there are people who sell stock videos that make money from it because people need a specific video that they can't actually find for free. Number 5 is selling digital arts or graphics. Number 6 is selling apps. You know how like you go to the App Store, Google Play Store, and you see an app that you have to pay for? Yeah, that's a digital product. Number 7 is selling video games. Video games has a really huge market when it comes to digital products. Like, people are constantly paying for that stuff. They get addicted to them and they get addicted to paying. They can't help it. Number 8 is selling educational podcasts. Because remember I said in the beginning that the future of education is all becoming digital. People aren't doing textbooks anymore. They're reading. People want to see videos and hear. Sometimes people learn better that way than reading. Like, sometimes you have to read something like 5 times to actually understand it, versus if you hear it or you see it, it's like you really just understand it way better immediately. Like, if you're seeing somebody that's selling a course and you can watch them explaining it to you, it might be better than reading the textbook. Number 9, you could sell nutrition plans if that's something that you do. Like, if you're niche is like gym or you're all into fitness, you can definitely sell nutrition plans. So number 10 is selling subscriptions for whatever you do. Like if you go on Netflix or Hulu, those subscriptions, and they are considered digital products. Number 11, you guys can do video animation intros for YouTube. You guys ever see people with those like really cool intros? I wish I had one. I need to get a video animation intro done for my YouTube. It's like that's something I can do by myself because I know how to do that stuff. But like I want somebody else to do, because sometimes like when somebody else does it and you see it, like you really be like, yeah, that's nice. But like when you do it yourself, it's kind of like, eh. It's kind of like when you cook and everybody else likes the food, but you're kind of like, eh, it's okay because you did it. Number 12, digital product. You guys can sell vendors that people would really need for their business. Like if you know some good vendors or you've dealt with vendors, you can definitely sell your vendors on your website or Etsy, FIVERR. People do that stuff because that is something that people are always looking for. A lot of people don't want to do the research. They don't want to look for vendors. So you can digitally just keep reselling that same vendor. Literally, I see people do it all the time. And their digital products are just it's way easier to sell because you don't have to worry about the packaging or just anything else. You just literally, it's just a weight off your shoulders. It's just money rolling in, passive income versus actually having to put in work after it's sold. So where can you sell your digital products at? So number 1, you can build your own website and sell it in your store, what I do. Number 2, you can sell on Etsy. Number 3, you can sell on FIVERR, which is a really good one. I've talked about FIVERR before in previous videos. FIVERR is something a lot of people haven't heard of, but it's like a digital product world. Everything on FIVERR is digital products. And then, they do some physical, but mostly digital. I really believe it's just a complete digital platform for selling stuff. So that's a really good one to get into. Number 4 is Teachable.com. Teachable.com is all digital product stuff. Number 5 is Samcart. You guys can start selling on there. Number 6 is Amazon. They sell digital products on there too. Number 7 is Sellfy. Sellfy. I'm going to try to put the logos on the screen for you guys so you guys can actually see it. Number 8 is Podia. Number 9 is Gumroad. Gumroad. You guys have probably not heard of a lot of these, but I did the research for you so you don't have to. And number 10 is Easy Digital Downloads. But from all of them in the list, I would say go on FIVERR or your own website. The thing is, like, FIVERR already has a platform for you. So if you just feel like you don't want to do all the work to getting your website out there, go ahead and do FIVERR. FIVERR will be one of the best ones for you. I wouldn't even recommend Amazon. It's a little bit harder to get into, like to be a seller on Amazon. It's all these requirements and just all this extraness versus FIVERR. It'll be more user friendly for you to start selling on there. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Leave a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you guys turn on those bell notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.